Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss and talk about applications of FreeBSD. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Applications of FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a free and open source Unix-like operating system that is known for its advanced features, performance, and security. It is used in a wide range of applications and scenarios including number 1, server operating system. FreeBSD is commonly used as a server operating system. It is known for its stability, scalability, and performance. Many web hosting companies and data centers use FreeBSD to power their servers. Number 2, network appliances. FreeBSD is frequently used as the operating system for network appliances such as firewalls, routers, and load balancers due to its network capabilities and security features. Number 3, web servers. Popular web servers like Apache and Nginx can run on FreeBSD, making it suitable for hosting web sites and web applications. Number 4, mail servers. FreeBSD is often chosen as the platform for mail servers. It supports popular mail server software like SendMail and Postfix. Number 5, storage servers. FreeBSD is used in storage solutions, including network attached storage or NAS and storage area network or SANs. The ZFS file system, which is regarded for data integrity and scalability, is available on FreeBSD. Number 6, virtualization. FreeBSD supports virtualization technologies like Vive and VirtualBox, making it a choice for virtualization hosts and guest systems. Number 7, research and education. Many universities and research institutions use FreeBSD in the research projects and as a teaching platform for operating system concepts. Number 8, embedded systems. FreeBSD can be customized and adapted for use in embedded systems, particularly those requiring advanced networking features or security. Number 9, high performance computing or HPC. FreeBSD can be used in FPC environments where stability and performance are crucial. It can serve as underlying OS for clusters and supercomputers. Number 10, desktop systems. While FreeBSD is not as commonly used on desktops as Linux or Windows, it can be installed as desktop operating system for users who prefer Unix-like environments. Number 11, security appliances. FreeBSD is used to build security appliances like intrusion detection systems or IDS or intrusion prevention systems or IPS. Number 12, telecommunications. FreeBSD is used in telecommunications systems and equipment including voice over IP or VoIP servers and network switches. Number 13, gaming. Some gaming enthusiasts and developers use FreeBSD for gaming. Can be used to create gaming servers. Number 14, development and testing. FreeBSD is used as development and testing platform for software and applications due to its stable and customizable nature. Number 15, scientific computing. FreeBSD can be used in scientific computing environments for running simulations and data analysis tasks. Number 16, artificial intelligence and machine learning. FreeBSD can serve as the operating system for AI and ML servers and clusters where performance and scalability are important. FreeBSD's flexibility and robustness make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small embedded systems to large-scale servers deployments. It is a strong community documentation support to assist users in various use cases. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the applications of FreeBSD. operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.